Hello guys, welcome to the brand new video. It's Saurabh from Saurabh Internet Marketing Product Reviews, and today I'm going to review the brand new product which is going to launch on 31st of August at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The product is YouTubio, and it's a one in all solution for the YouTube marketing, YouTube, and for the YouTubers. This is a brand new product which is going to launch by Firecrackers, and this product is all about providing you traffic on the YouTube, optimizing your YouTube tags, and everything you need to do on the YouTube. It's a YouTube automation tool which will help in the growth of your channel and will help in the growth of your channel and everything, and helps in creating affiliate leads for you. Let's get into the sales page of this product. Let's see what this product is all about. The product is a game changer to dominate YouTube and the video marketing in a few clicks. It's so you can watch the demo here. In the below you can see what are the important features of the product. It will import and manage multiple channels under one roof, and everything will be provided to you. Auto optimization your videos with the keyword specific title, tags, description, and categories, and everything. Increase traffic, views, likes, shares, comments, subject, everything. In a nutshell, this is a brand new software which will solve your every problem related to YouTube, which will help you become a full-time YouTuber, but you do not need to work more. It's a done for you software which will help you in managing your multiple channels under one roof. It will help in managing your tags, descriptions, and everything. Will track your videos and everything, upload, downloads, and everything will be managed in just few minutes with this software. So stay with me till the end of the video, where I will show you some of my exclusive bonuses which will be provided to you if you purchase this through the below link provided in the description. If you purchase it through my link, you will get some of the most exclusive bonuses which you will get only from my side for free. So stay tuned with me. Now let's see the sales page in a more detailed way. So if you put the coupon code YT$2 off, you will get a $2 discount on this, on the purchase of YouTubio. So here you can see the proof related to YouTubio and what the YouTubio is all about. Its features are written here. It's an automated YouTube manual labor, boost ranking, traffic, and everything. It will find real winners in just one click. It's a, in a nutshell, it's a full-on solution for your any YouTube marketing queries. Now here you can see more traffic equal to more sales equal to more leads and more profits. So YouTubio will provide you platform where you can get more traffic, which will be converted into more sales, which will convert into more leads, and you will be profited. And the price of this product is not much. It's around from $37 to $47, which is not that much for the product like this, which will automate your YouTube channel and helps in increasing traffic for your channel, increasing sales, increasing leads, and ultimately increasing profit for your affiliate link for your affiliate products. Now let's get into the below. Here you can see some of the proofs and some of the proofs regarding the software YouTubio, which is a cloud-based software. So let's get below. Here are the proofs shown by the marketer himself. Here you can see, here are your roadblocks. Video SEO is the biggest problem nowadays. Video channel management is a pain, and replying and managing comments is challenging. So everything will be done for you through YouTubio, which will cost around $27 to $37. Not only this, you will get some of the exclusive bonuses from the vendor side and some of the bonuses from my side, which are exclusively new for you. So which will cost you around $6,178. So stay tuned with me till I reveal some of my exclusive bonuses to you. So let's get into this sales page and see what the sales page looks like. So what are the steps on dominating YouTube and video marketing? Log into YouTubio, set up your campaigns, and just sit back and enjoy the profits. This is as simple as it is shown here. This is super simple to use. Below we can see more features of the YouTubio. You can read out this, and here you can see buying YouTubio basic will cost you around $37, and buying YouTubio premium will cost you around $47. Here you can see features, what it includes, what features are there included. So everything you can do with your YouTube channel is mentioned here. So now below we can see some of the things around this. You can see every details about the product. Every details is explained here in details. So we are heading towards the YouTubio, everything regarding YouTubio. Here you can see everything, and here it's FAQs. Now let's head into the bonus page, which I'm going to provide exclusive bonuses to you. So let's head into the bonus page of YouTube. So this special bonus page will be down at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday at September 7th. So make sure you collect these bonuses within the launch period so that you will not miss these exclusive bonuses from my side. So let's head into the bonuses that I'm going to provide you. So here are the bonuses. First bonus is AdWord retargeting tutorial, which will help you in retargeting AdWord ads. So if you are wanting to promote affiliate products or affiliate links on Google AdWords, you need retargeting tutorials. So you need tutorials regarding how you can retarget your customers so that you can convert them into more leads and ultimately converting into your profit. So this AdWord retargeting tutorial which will teach you step by step how you can convert your customer into your leads and which will ultimately lead to your profit. This is worth of $768. This bonus will be freely available to you once you purchase the front end of the YouTube video, which will cost around $37 only. The next is how to get 90% off on your ads spent for Bing AdWords. So on Bing or on AdWords, they are high converting ads network. So while purchasing ads from Bing and AdWords, you need to be sure and you need to apply certain tactics so that you will save up to 90% on putting ads on Bing and AdWords of your affiliate links, so that you will save around 90% on your ads, and those 90% can be converted into more types of ads so that more leads can be generated and more profits you will on. The next is solo ad list building profits. Three these three bonuses are regarding ad building and ad tutorial. So you can see solo ad list building profit. Solo ad list building profit will teach you how you can put solo ads, how you can set up solo ads, how you can collect email lists through solo ads, and how you can use those solo ads into creating into selling the affiliate product you are promoting. So solo ads is one of the most popular ads. In this video training you will learn everything regarding solo ads, which will cost you around $395. This is also exclusively free to you. The next is how to write heading subject lines that sells. Headings and subject lines are very important regarding email marketing and every type of marketing you are promoting. In advertising field, headings and subject lines are very important. So this tutorial regarding how to write headings and subject lines will be provided to you exclusively free once you buy the front end of the product YouTube video. So here you can see this will cost you around $487. This is also exclusively free. This is also provided to you exclusively free. The next is email tutorial, which will teach you email marketing tutorial, which will teach you how to make around $350 per day by sending emails. So once you collect emails through advertising or any other means, you will need to know how to send emails to the people. So to send emails in bulk may land on the spam folder. So sending emails in a tactical way is very important. So in this tutorial we will teach you how you can send emails so that the person reading the emails will be converted into your lead, which will lead to your profit. So this is one time offer which will cost around $727. This is also exclusively free from my side. Here is a bonus for quick action for top 10 buyers from my affiliate links will access to these three bonuses. These three bonuses will be, I will cancel these three bonuses once top 10 people get access to YouTube video from my link. So first bonus that I'm going to provide to the fast action group is how to explode your YouTube channel. YouTube video is all about YouTube. So if you know how to explode your YouTube channel, how to make content, how to write everything about YouTube channel, and tax and everything will be managed by YouTube video. So it will be plus point to you, 1 plus 1 point to you, so that you can explode your YouTube channel within a short span of time. So this product is very important to you. This is a product of Brandon Mays, who is one of the greatest internet marketers available today. So this will be delivered to you once you buy the front end product, and make sure to lie within the top 10 quick action people so that you can get access to this bonus. The next bonus is Ninja Facebook advertising and retargeting tactics. In this tactics we will teach you how to advertise and how to retarget through Facebook Ninja techniques. So in Facebook advertising and retargeting is very important. So Facebook advertisement is one of the high converting platforms. So To convert through Facebook advertising, you need retargeting tactics. Every tactics will be provided to you through Ninja Facebook advertising and retargeting tactics. So make sure to buy within the range of 10 people through my link, so that you do not miss these exclusive bonuses. These exclusive bonuses are worth of thousands of dollars, so make sure you buy these exclusive bonuses. The next bonus is Instagram marketing made simple and profitable. Instagram is one of the most growing platform nowadays. Instagram reels are also popular nowadays, so Instagram marketing is very popular. Video marketing is popular. In video marketing, Instagram marketing is becoming more popular nowadays. So in this tutorial we have made simple how you can do Instagram marketing in a simple way, so in a profitable way, so that you do not miss any hook of the internet marketing in the Instagram field, so that you can convert more leads, more customer into more leads, and make thousands of dollars in profits. So don't miss this. So now let's head into the OTOs. Then I will explain how you can access these bonuses once you purchase the product. So in the OTO section, you can see the basic will cost around $37, the bestseller will cost around $47, pro upgrade, that is OTO 1, will cost $97, and agency license, this is OTO 2, will cost around $167, reseller rights will cost around $197. In the front end, you will get import and manage multiple channels. You will get to import and manage multiple channels, automate reply, likes and comments. Everything will be automated, and you will manage your videos. The videos will be managed automatically. Playlist and advanced playlist managers, everything will be provided to you. And instant source, upload, download and edit videos in few clicks. Enhance your YouTube ranking by optimizing them with a targeted title, description. In a nutshell, it's everything about your YouTube channel will be optimized. You just need to make video and put in your YouTube channel, and everything regarding your YouTube channel will be optimized from YouTube. So in the OTO 1, what extra features will you get regarding from front end? So in the OTO 1, you will get special downloadable splitters, tool to split long videos into smaller parts, advanced thumbnail creator to create thumbnails which are eye-catching. So these everything will be provided to you. Keyword finder will be provided to you. Rank tracking will be provided to you. Import and manage ultimate and unlimited channels will be provided to you. Upload and manage unlimited videos will be provided to you. Set and forget unlimited auto reply and auto comment templates, and get detailed analytics reports, everything will be provided to you. In the OTO 2, you will get to start your own agency business, give YouTubers access to your clients, and on monthly recurring profits, separate user panel to add, edit or manage your users, get one time or monthly recurring profits directly into your account. In the OTO 3, which will cost you around $197, you will get the reseller rights regarding the product. Now let's get into how you can access these bonuses. Once you purchase YouTube, once you purchase front end or the basic of YouTube, which will cost you around $37, you can see a button like access affiliate bonus. Once you click on it, you can access my bonuses. And in the next, if you do not find here, you can see here in the bonus video section, you can access the bonuses from my side. So that's all for today. It's sort of signing off from Saurabh Internet Marketing Product Review. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure you purchase this product within 24 hours of the launch, because the bonus for quick action will be removed soon. Once the 10 spots are filled, the bonus for quick action will be removed, and these are exclusive bonuses from my side. These bonuses are very valuable, and make sure you buy the product in the right time, so that you can access to every bonuses that I'm going to provide, which are worth around $6,000. So thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.